Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have their money completely under control, while others are constantly stressed, drowning in debt, or living paycheck to paycheck? The truth is, financial success doesn't happen by accident. It's the result of a proven system, a blueprint that covers every part of your financial life. And today, I'm going to walk you through the ultimate personal finance blueprint: budgeting, investing, credit, and wealth growth. Welcome back to USA Finance Hub, your go-to channel for mastering money in the American way. If you're serious about building wealth, crushing debt, and creating financial freedom, make sure you stick with me until the end, because this blueprint is designed to change the way you manage your money forever. Let's start with the very first pillar, budgeting. Here's the hard truth. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear before you even realize it. And most Americans are stuck in this trap, spending blindly without a clear plan. That's why budgeting isn't just a boring task. It's the foundation of wealth. So how do you budget effectively? One of the best strategies is the 50/30/20 rule. This simple method divides your income into 50% for needs like housing, food, utilities, 30% for wants like dining out, travel, and shopping, and 20% for savings, debt payment. Another powerful method is zero-based budgeting, which means every single dollar you earn has a job, whether it's paying bills, investing, or saving. Nothing is left floating. And of course, you have to track every expense. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet. The key is awareness. Once you see where your money is going, you'll naturally start making smarter choices. Remember, budgeting is not about restriction, it's about control. You're designing your financial life, not just reacting to it. Now let's move to the second pillar, investing. Here's a fact. You will never work your way to financial freedom by income alone. Why? Because time and inflation eat away at the value of money. The only way to stay ahead is to make your money work for you. So where do you start? Begin with the stock market. Start small. Index funds or ETFs are your safest bet. They're diversified, low cost, and historically deliver strong long-term returns. Next, maximize retirement accounts. If you're in the U.S., don't miss out on 401k, IRAs, or Roth IRAs. These accounts give you tax benefits while growing your wealth for retirement. Then there's real estate. Whether it's rental properties or REITs, real estate is one of the most powerful ways to generate passive income. And don't forget dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to time the market, invest a fixed amount every month. This removes emotion and builds consistency. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about getting rich for sure over time. The third pillar is credit. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's your financial reputation. It affects your ability to buy a home, get a car loan, qualify for a business loan, and even the interest rates you pay. A bad credit score can cost you thousands of dollars over your lifetime. So how do you master it? Pay on time always. Your payment history makes up 35% of your score, and one late payment can stay on your report for years. Keep your credit utilization low. Aim to use less than 30% of your available credit. For example, if you have a $10,000 limit, try to stay under $3,000. Don't close old accounts, because the longer your credit history, the better. And finally, mix it up. Having a combination of credit cards, loans, and mortgages shows lenders you can handle different types of credit. When you master credit, you're not just borrowing money, you're leveraging financial tools that accelerate your wealth growth. Now let's talk about the most exciting part: wealth growth. Budgeting sets the foundation. Investing multiplies your money. Credit opens the doors. But wealth growth is about putting it all together to create long-term financial freedom. The best strategies for wealth growth start with building multiple streams of income. Don't rely on one paycheck. Build side hustles, start a business, invest in real estate, or create digital assets. The more streams you have, the stronger your financial future. Next, automate savings and investments. Don't depend on willpower, set up automatic transfers to savings and investment accounts. Out of sight, out of mind, but always growing. Another key is to avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because your income rises doesn't mean your expenses should. Live below your means and invest the difference. And finally, protect your wealth. Get insurance, build an emergency fund, and always have a plan for unexpected expenses. Remember, wealth is not just about making money, it's about keeping it. And above all, focus on the long game. True wealth is built over years, not days. Be patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. So there you have it, the ultimate personal finance blueprint: budgeting, investing, credit, and wealth growth. Budgeting gives you control. Investing builds your future. Credit gives you leverage. And wealth growth gives you freedom. If you put all of these together, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Now I want to hear from you. What's the one area of your personal finances you want to master first? Budgeting, investing, credit, or wealth growth? Drop your answer in the comments below. I read every single one. And if you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on future strategies from USA Finance Hub. Thanks for watching. And remember, financial freedom isn't a dream, it's a decision. See you in the next video.